Hello, techies. Welcome to Industry 4.0 Simplified, and today we'll see alerts in Grafana. So, for alerts, now in industries, people are there to monitor the alerting situations, like if the sensor values goes above the limit or something should not that is not maintained. So, the person is there to sit and monitor the plant operations and situation. But in Grafana, there is a setting called alert list. So here, what we can do is we give Grafana the rules that always check upon the data we are giving to Grafana that something is not normal that will be notified to us on the dashboard. So for that, we have to make the alert rules. So let's say this is my data. In the RFID database, I have created a table named sensor and it has the sensor value. So this is my current data. And let's create a rule. So if the sensor goes above 50, then I want a high sensor value alert on my dashboard. So let's create it. So here in Grafana, you can see alerting, alert rules, and add new alert. Then choose your database. So in my case, it is MySQL, the table. So we'll directly write the code. Let's select the table, sensor, and column value. And we'll go to the code. Now select value from RFID.sensor and order by serial number in descending order and limit by 1. So why I am doing this? This will check the latest value stored in the SQL database. What it does, it orders the data in descending order and checks the latest value. So here is the alert condition. The last value of query is above 50. Then, so you can check by running this query. Now the last value is 22. So the condition is normal. And if the condition is not normal, it will be firing. Then you have to add a folder to this to add this alert rule. So I have already created a folder. And if you don't have, just you need to give it a name, nothing else to do. So I have created a folder test. Let's add this one in this one. Then pending period should be none because if you set the pending period, it will wait for, if I set this to 1 minute, after the alert data is stored, like 51 is stored, after 1 minute, it will show me an alert. But I don't want that. So I'm setting it to none and keep firing for, you can set this to 2 seconds. So until the value is fixed to 10, sorry, 50, above 50, it will keep on firing 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. And whenever the value changes, it stops firing. We'll see it. And we want this time less because just we want a notification, not every day. Let's see what happens. And then all settings are done. You can also link this to the panels contained in the dashboard. So I have only one dashboard and it has three things and I can link to them also and then save it. But you have to give it a name. So how do you know that what type of alert is this? Because you may have too many alerts like low value, high value. So I'm giving it a high sensor value. So you will see this name in the alert and then save. Okay, these things are required. So you need to do evaluation group. So you can see it is saved and it is normal now. Now let's go to the dashboard. Here you can see You can add alerts for here also, but we have a different visualization for that. Let's add that, add visualization, and it's alert list. So I just need to save it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll enter a value above 50. Let's say 51. And so you see high sensor value alert. So these are the details of whatever settings we have done in this. So until when I enter a new value, which is normal, this will keep on firing. So it is on auto refresh. You can see it is firing constant from 15 seconds, 23 seconds, 24. So it is keep on firing. Now let's change the value, add a new value, which is normal. So let's say 25. Stored. Now within seconds it will remove. So this is an alert in Grafana, and now we don't have to monitor when the sensor value is above the applicable range. Grafana will notify you that this is the alert condition. You need to take actions. So hope you understood this. And if you like the video, subscribe. Thank you.